Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about HCF and how to find HCF, that is highest common factor. See, this is of two types. One is with different base, we have to find HCF, and with same base. When the numbers of with different base, then the HCF will be product of each type of common base with minimum power. See, you have to find out the HCF of this. First see that we have common base here 5. 5 it is 2 times here and 3 it is 2 times and 2 base 2 is 1 time. So the common base is 5 and 3. Product of each type of common base. So product and with minimum power. See, here is 3 and here is 1. So minimum power is 1. And see, power of 3 here is 3 and here it is 2. So minimum is 2. So the HCF will be 5 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 2. It will be 5 into 9, 45. When the number are of same base, then the HCF will be base with minimum power. See here, the base is same, 5, 5, 5. And the power is different, minus 13, minus 2, minus 31 and minus 11. So the HCF will be base with minimum power. HCF will be 5 to the power minus 31 because minus 2 is greater than minus 31. So minimum power is minus 31 here. See, third method is prime factor method. In this case, the HCF will be product of each type of common base with minimum power. See this example, 90 and 75, find the HCF of these two numbers. The factors of 90 are 5 into 2 into 3 into 3, and the 75 is 5 into 5 into 3. Okay, so we can rewrite this 5 into 2 into 3 square, and it is 5 square into 3. So the HCF will be product of each type of common base with minimum power. The common base is 5 and 3. As you see, 5 and 3 with minimum power. Here the power is 2 and it is 1. So minimum is 1. And here the power is 1 power and it is power 2. So minimum power is 1. So the HCF will be product of these. So it will be 15. Note this, if there is no common base, then the HCF will be 1. Now I will discuss about some important points. First is, if the question is find the largest number which divides A, B, C, leaving remainder P, Q, R respectively, the largest number will be HCF of A minus P, B minus Q and C minus R. See the example, find the largest number which divides 37 and 58, leaving remainder 2 and 3 respectively. So what you have to do, minus this, it will be 37 minus 2, it will be 35, and 58 minus 3, it will be 55. So HCF of 35 and 55 will be the largest number. 35 it is 5 into 7, it is 5 into 11. So common base with minimum power it is 5. So HCF will be 5 and the largest number will be 5. See, The second is the largest number which divides A, B, C, leaving the same remainder. Then the largest number will be HCF of B minus A, C minus B and C minus A. See this example. Find the largest number which divides 38, 66 and 80, leaving the same remainder. So the largest number will be 66 minus 38, it is 28. 80 minus 66, 14. 80 minus 38, it is 42. HCF of these three. See, if we find the prime factors of 28, it is 4 into 7, 14, 2 into 7, 42, 2 into 3 into 7. So from here, the HCF will be common base with minimum power. So common base from here it is 7. Okay. Minimum power 1. So HCF will be 1. So the largest number is 7, which divides 38, 66, 80 and leaves the same remainder.